left traffic to runway 4.
I don't think we can make any runway. What about over to our right? Anything in New Jersey, maybe Teterboro?
Okay, yeah, off your right side is Teterboro Airport. LaGuardia departure, got emergency inbound.
This is Teterboro Tower, go ahead.
Cactus 1549 over the GW Bridge. Needs to go to the airport right now.
Check, does he need assistance?
Yes, bird strike. Can I get him in for runway 1? Cactus 1549, you want to try and go to Teterboro?
Obstacle, obstacle. Obstacle, obstacle. Pull up.
Clear of conflict.
No reload after 30 seconds. Engine master 1 and 2 confirm off.
Off.
Wait 30 seconds.
Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain.
This is the captain. Brace for impact.
500.
Cactus 1549, turn right 280. You can land runway 1 Teterboro.
We can't make it.
Okay, which runway would you like at Teterboro?
Go ahead, try number 1.
Number 1. No relay.
We're gonna end up in the Hudson.
Too low, terrain.
I'm sorry, say again, Cactus?
Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain.
All right, let's put the flaps down. Put the flaps down.
Flaps out.
Cactus 1549, radar contact lost. You also got Newark off you at 2 o'clock in about 7 miles.
Got flaps out. 250 feet in the air.
Pull up.
170 knots. Got no power in either one. Try the other one.
Try the other one.
1549?
Terrain.
Still out?
150 knots.
Terrain.
Got flaps 2. You want more?
No, let's do it.
You got runway 29 available at Newark. It'll be 2 o'clock at 7 miles.
You got any ideas?
Caution. Terrain.
Actually, not.
Terrain, terrain. Pull up, pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
We're gonna brace.
Pull up.
30.
Pull up. Pull up.
20.
Pull up.
Now, if you'll turn to page 7, we can look at asset identification.
Pull up.
Brace! Brace! Heads down! Stay down!
It's okay. Let me hold it.
Heads down! Stay down!
Benim istediğim Kristina'nın
We're not gonna make it, Uncle Robbie.
Brace! Brace! Brace!
Mom.
Heads down! Stay down!
Your stars.
Brace! Brace!
And all the way back.
Heads down! Stay down!
What do we do, darling?